I've spent time with these guys. I've spent time with innovation teams of the big banks, and there's nothing we're aiming to do or have come up with that other people haven't come up with in the last few years. There's no secret sauce on the new digital banks. There are phenomenally clever guys who've come up with exactly the same thing. It's all about execution. And actually, when you look at the kind of startups who are cutting off small chunks of that user journey, whether it's Venmo and payments or whether it's peer-to-peer lending or whatever, you can get the kind of banking of the future experience if you sign up to like 15 startups and use lots of apps at the same time. So I think our view is that the right size of bank isn't dumb infrastructure, although there's an interesting question as to whether the big banks provide medieval plumbing rather than new plumbing. But it's about where you get to the point where everyday money and that sort of vital utility where your salary check is paid in and you manage the glide path down to the end of the next month, spending, saving, putting money aside, sending money to friends, doing all of those things that you do day to day, whether that can actually be a single platform, and whether that kind of experience of a small, very focused, integrated sort of everyday money view is really the right size. And that's what Mondo's aiming at. We're just doing a current account with some overdraft lending. And there are plenty of people out there who are great at mortgages or great at peer-to-peer lending or TransferWise and everyone else. And there are APIs to connect into that. So we're aiming to be that everyday money, right size of an experience in order to deliver for customers, while not overstretching, while not trying to be everyone for everything and being that sort of mega bank.